Alright guys, you know the deal. Bones, curse possession, ghost.
Oh.
Hey, you paying attention?
Oh, right. Find the ghosts.
Well, let's split up so we can find the cursed possession and the bones easily.
Yeah, it sounds like a good idea. We can go find the ghost room.
Alright, yeah. Good idea.
Hey guys, I think I found a bone. It looks like a hand.
What room is it in so I can take the photo?
It's the small room right next to you.
Alright, I'll be over.
Bruh, what was that? Are you okay?
I think she found the ghost room.
Dude, it just threw an object at me!
What's the EMF level?
Just a 2.
Let's find the curse possession later. Let's focus on the ghost.
Alright, I agree. Oh. Well, we don't have any fingerprints.
Alright, let's keep the lights on so we don't drain our sanity. So, this is probably the ghost room. Cold, but not quite freezing.
Well, there's our ghost writing.
Why are you so calm?
I think our sanity is drained.
Guys, look, ghost orb.
Guys, run! It's hunting!
My lord, it killed him.
Huh. Should have just turned the flashlight off.
You wanna play cards?
Yeah!
Let's go! Whee!
Let's just confirm that it's a mare first. Where are you? Are you here? Are you friend? Where are you?
Well, there it is. A mare.
Makai, did you hear that? It's 100% a mare.
Come on, man!